smile aa jati hai. Something about your childhood, and something that instantly reminds you of how your innocent and carefree days were. Would you like to share something like that with us?
I remembered my very first dish that I cooked, and it was obviously a very simple dish. We prepared a poha. We were a group of friends, and the eldest one amongst us was in seventh. There was no one at home, and we decided to experiment.
Okay, so what he did, he just scratched one zero and he made it 10 rupees of that 100 rupees, and he went to the teacher to buy the chips. But it was very
true, I am. But then I am very happy that you still kept doing the same thing that you did when we were your students. You encouraged us then. You always made us feel that everything's fine, everything's all good.
simple, as Sanchi just now said, that we should enjoy these little moments. So I would also add here that life is really simple. We insist on making it complicated. So let us not make it complicated. Let it remain simple. Life is really like a book, and it is indeed every day is a new page that we can write. That is what I would like to tell you.
Beautiful. Thank you so much, ma'am. I think that was very, very practical and very relevant for our students. Sometimes they get into such a rat race.
गिरते हैं सहसवार ही जंग मैदान में, गिरते हैं सहसवार ही जंग मैदान में, वो तरफ क्या गिरा जो घुटनों
pace.
That's one of the incidents where you don't know actually how to open things up. So definitely these kinds of things happen with all children. All the parents, all children go through that where you don't know where to start.
चाहते हैं तो जिंदगी निकल चुकी होती है अपने हाथ से, तो बेहतर है कि दिमाग को खुला रखें. कोई भी चीज, कोई भी ख्वाब हो, कोई भी ड्रीम हो, कोई भी तमन्ना हो, जब तक उसके अंदर मेहनत, शिद्दत, तपस्या और जुनून नहीं होगा ना, तब तक कैसे.
Welcome everybody to yet another session of Dil Ki Baat Season 2. I would like to gladly invite Sachi ma'am, who is among us.
And it's taken a beautiful shape. It's wonderful to see. I mean, when the video was being played at the start, just a little snippet from what last year's entire series was all about. It was so beautiful to revisit those moments. And it was really, really a spark of positivity in the month of May. I used to look forward to every Saturday and, to interact with everyone on the forum of Dil Ki Baat. And yet we are back again in the month of May, interacting on the same forum. And it's being carried forward by the students in a much more renewed and dynamic way, which is very, very exciting to see. And I believe the theme for the first session today is all about technology. And I'm very excited to see what the students have to present, And Steve Jobs, he said something very interesting, that technology is nothing if it's not used well by the people given to them. And I think, our students are the biggest beacons and examples of the marvels that we can see with technology. And I'm quite excited to see what they put forth in today's session with regards to all the exciting things, virtual gaming and all the various activities that they've planned for today. And all the very, very best to our Gen Next. And I am absolutely confident that Dil Ki Baat is going to be carried forward with much more vigor, much more dynamism, much more, all things exciting. And let's start the first episode on a high note. Over to you, and all the very, very best. Thank you so much for having me. It's a great feeling. It's a great privilege to be here and to see Season 2, to see the new face of this beautiful initiative, undertaken by the school. And thank you so much for the opportunity. Thank you once again for having me here, Principal Ma'am, and the entire team. Very, very excited to be here and see what unfolds in the next hour.
Thank you very much, Sachi ma'am. It was really wonderful listening from you, and especially having you among us gives us more strength. We would gladly like to also welcome Anuj sir, who's the chairman. He's there among us. Thank you very much, sir, for making time. I know it is special for you and for us. So let's start with this family event. My heartiest evening greetings to all the parents, respected principal ma'am, all the teachers, all the participants. So without much delay, the handover has been done. So what are you waiting for, students? It's all up to you now. Go ahead.
या शुभ्रवस्त्रामृता या वीणावरदण्डमण्डितकरा या श्वेतपद्मासना या ब्रह्माच्युतशङ्कर प्रभृतिभिर्देवैः सदा वन्दिता सा मां पातु सरस्वती भगवती निःशेषजाड्यापहा। तुषारहारधवला या शुभ्रवस्त्रामृता या वीणावरदण्डमण्डितकरा या श्वेतपद्मासना या ब्रह्माच्युतशङ्कर प्रभृतिभिर्देवैः सदा वन्दिता सा मां पातु सरस्वती भगवती निःशेषजाड्यापहा या कुन्देन्दु तुषारहारधवला शुभ्रवस्त्रामृता या वीणावरदण्डमण्डितकरा या श्वेतपद्मासना या ब्रह्माच्युतशङ्कर प्रभृतिभिर्देवैः सदा वन्दिता सा मां पातु सरस्वती भगवती निःशेषजाड्यापहा।
Very good evening to everyone who's watching this, especially a very warm welcome to the students of grade 11th who had such a roller coaster of year, their hopes rising and falling with the ascending and descending curve of coronavirus. The phrase taking up the mantle has originated from a biblical story where one prophet, while ascending into heaven, leaves behind a piece of clothing called the mantle for his successor, a prophet again. And then the succeeding prophet ends up taking the mantle, and he delivers twice the number of miracles that the earlier prophet had. So today I'm quite confident that our grade 11 children will live up to our expectations and make this season 2 a much bigger success. So all the best to all of you students out there. I think most of the families in India, I think they've realized that it's very important to pass on the wisdom and the responsibilities to younger generation in these uncertain times. I think the older generation now wants to live a very peaceful and content life. And I think it's very important for us, all of us, to take up this, these important roles now and lead from the front. And I'm really glad that our DPS family has also decided to do the same and pass on the mantle to you guys, all of you 11th graders. Wishing you all the best. Coming to the theme of today's Dil Ki Baat, which is Pradyogik, which essentially means technology. I think technology is something that this word has been used over and over again so much in the last 1 year. I think all of us are breathing, eating, sleeping this technology. And I think it's very important for all of us to realize that we should not overuse it to start abusing it as well. So I think, like everything else in our lives, it's very important to strike the right balance. I think today with so much of technology around us, in a matter of seconds, we have everything delivered to us at our homes, be it food, grocery, medicine, shopping. We have web series, we have shows, we have movies, and now of course education is also being delivered at home, right? So I think it's become very convenient and easy for all of us. And I think this technology will only get better with times. There'll be further more advancements, better technology, The only flip side is that I think it'll all make us very lazy without all of us even realizing. I think we'll become like a couch potato. So I think it's very important for all of us, including you students, especially who are growing up at this age, to realize that I think we should not get disconnected from real life relationships as well. So I urge all of you students to find some time to just take up a book to read, spend some time maybe learning a new instrument, play some board games, maybe pick up a life skill like cooking, spend some time with your family, hear some stories from them, and do not forget that the real world is equally important as the virtual world. So just stay focused and always be grateful for whatever is being given to you. So just be grateful and thankful always. And I think lastly, I would like to wish and pray for all the people who've suffered directly or indirectly because of this pandemic. I just pray that the families all stay safe and healthy. And thank you so much. Have fun. And I look forward to an exciting new season of Dil Ki Baat. Thank you so much.
Thank you, sir. Your humble speech always makes us feel empowered. It always connects with everyone here.
Music is a language of a soul. Well, what better way to start the season with some good old music? Here is a piece sung by our very own students.
I will run, I will climb, I will soar. I'm undefeated. Oh, jumping out of my skin, pull the cord. Yeah, I believe it. Oh, the past is everything we were. Don't make us who we are. So I dream until I make it real. I know I see stars. It's not until you fall that you fly. When your dreams come alive, you're unstoppable. Take a shot, chase the sun, find the beautiful. We will go in the dark, turning dust to gold, and we'll dream impossible. Possible. Oh, and we'll dream impossible. From the bottom to the top, we're sparking wildfires, never quit, never stop. The rest of our lives, from the bottom to the top, we're sparking wildfires, never quit, never stop. It's not until you fall that you fly. When your dreams come alive, you're unstoppable. Take a shot, chase the sun, find the beautiful. We will go in the dark, turning dust to gold, and we'll dream impossible. Possible. Oh, and we'll dream impossible.
वाह, क्या गाया है। मन में प्रसन्नता छा गई, मजा आ गया।
The old age wisdom will never fade out, even though the times have changed. But wisdom is like wine, ain't it? The older, the better. With this, I call Honorable Principal Ma'am to share her wisdom.
Good evening, dear children, teachers, Anuj, Sanchi, and lovely parents, grandparents, so many generations on this particular platform. Rightly, I think this Dil Ki Baat touches every chord, every generation. And thank you, Anuj sir, for passing on, and Sanchi for passing on the baton, and then explanation coming from Anuj sir. And technology geeks that you all are. I am the one actually who possibly is the generation which is going to bridge the technology geeks and the generation. So really gives me an immense pleasure today to see that the 11th graders have taken up the baton from Sachi and hosting this session. 11 students, it is so wonderful to see you. बिना पढ़े बिना एग्जाम दिए पास हो गए तो 11th क्लास में आ गए. वंडरफुल. हाँ, ये जनरेशन तो हमने भी नहीं देखी थी. We also had to struggle, give the examination, and मजे हो गए. ये तो दिल से सीधा ही आ गई बात. Very nice. Really good to see you all coming back and trusting the school and now hosting दिल की बात. जब दिल से बातें होती हैं तो बहुत अच्छी लगती है, और जब आप लोग बातें करते हो तो बहुत ज्यादा अच्छी लगती है. I really am very happy to see you all host this particular Dil Ki Baat, 5 episodes, which was an initiative which started last year. We all were new to this particular pandemic. We just wanted everybody's anxiety to be, kind of see to it that everybody is engaged, everybody is happy, and everybody's got some time. But then this year, we are happy to take it forward as connecting with the community. And nothing better than जिन्होंने एग्जाम नहीं दिया उनको और कुछ काम नहीं मिला तो चलो यही सही. But I'm sure you're going to do wonderful job. When I was told by Dona ma'am that you all are really preparing hard and working hard and trying to make this particular episode work really greatly. तो जनरेशन और टेक्नोलॉजी गीक की मुझे ना एक छोटी सी बात याद आ गई. तो पहले जमाने में होता था, जो भी इंजीनियर बनता था उनकी मम्मी की कोई चीज खराब हो जाती थी तो बोलते थे अरे इसको ठीक कर दो. अरे तेरे को इतना भी नहीं आता है कि इंजीनियर होके भी ये काम नहीं कर सकते हो. नलका खराब हो गया, बिजली का बल्ब खराब हो गया, मोटर खराब हो गई, तो व्हाट वुड दे से, अरे तुम इंजीनियर होके भी ठीक नहीं कर सकते हो. नाउ इट्स माय टाइम टू टेल यू ऑल, अरे तुम टेक्नोलॉजी वाले हो, आवाज ठीक करो, ठीक से नहीं चल रहा है, यूट्यूब पे बजाओ. Right? So I really am at times wonder. I was just watching one serial and I heard this particular thing going on and calling up the relation manager of Vodafone and they saying, अरे मैंने तो आपको प्लान के लिए किया था काम, तो कितना बढ़िया हो गया, मेरी मदर इन लॉ के साथ नहीं बन रही है, मेरी रिलेशन ठीक कर दो. People think that technology geek can resolve everything. So everything that works well or does not work well, whether वो engineer है, वो technology geek है या कौन है, so we take things as they come. So I'm so happy that you are going to do a great job with this technology, this particular episode. I know that you have lined up a lot of quizzes today, and I really wish all the very best to every one of you. Have a great time, have fun time. Every day is another day. Live today. What's going on and what is going to go on is what is going to be beautifully done today. So make every moment of life beautiful. जो होगा देखी जाएगी, जो हुआ वो भी ठीक है, जो होगा वो भी अच्छा है. Live your life to the fullest, children. Enjoy yourself and दिल से बजाओ, दिल से खाओ, दिल से जियो और दिल से दिल की बात करो. Wish you all the very best. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am, for your inspiring words. It's always a pleasure to hear from you. Now, please allow me to roll out our first event, something we deep sites like to call Pradyogiki Bid. All students and their parents may remember this one. We will give you any sentence or image and you basically have to figure out a certain word that is relevant to it. How? Serve the internet. And this time, it's students versus teachers.
अब मैं भी आपको जो है इंस्ट्रक्शंस दे ही देता हूँ. तो हम आपको एक तस्वीर या वाक्य देंगे और आपको इंटरनेट से ढूंढकर एक ऐसा शब्द बताना है जो किसी तरह से उससे जुड़ा हो. प्रतिभागियों को वो ढूंढने के लिए सिर्फ 1 मिनट मिलेगा.
I would like to invite my rather quirky, well, that's too optimistic, friend Shambhu Mukherjee to give us the questions.
Well, hello everyone. As you heard, my name is Shambhu Mukherjee and I'm from grade 11th. Today, I'll be a quiz master. Now, before I begin, I would like to introduce today's teams. Round 1 team students is the C17 Globe Masters. Please introduce yourselves.
Okay, my name is Vihan Sunakia and I am studying in 1A. My name is Devanshi Sena and I am from 3rd C.
I think our third participant hasn't joined the meeting yet. I think he's having network issues. Do we have you here? Well, we can always come back. Now, team students for round 2 is Code Ninjas. Introductions, everyone. Come on.
Good evening, everyone. This is Ojas Bhosle from class 8th.
Good evening, everyone. This is Shara Srivastav from class 8A.
Good evening, everyone. My name is Priyanka Rajput and I am from class 4th.
Well then, now time for last, but of course not the least, team. Team teachers for both rounds. Tech Intellect. Teachers, give us your introductions.
Good evening, everyone. Myself, Mamta Swami. I'm the class teacher of nursery.
Good evening, everyone. Myself, Miss Meghna Patil. I'm the class teacher of Kindergarten 2 DPS Panvel.
Good evening, everyone. My name is Vidya Patil. I'm class teacher of KG1B.
Well then, now that you have seen the competition, let me give you the rules and regulations of the competition then. Can we have the rules, please? The rules and instructions are: the teams must discuss with each other and the first person to raise their hand virtually would give the answer. The mark distribution is 3 points for answering without a clue, 2 points for answering with 1 clue, and 1 point for answering with 2 clues. If the answer is wrong or not given in the time limit of 2 minutes, the question will be then given to the next team for a bonus of 1 point. You shall be given a sentence or an image, and it will point to a single word, entity, or event which you will say as the answer. The internet is the tool to find all the answers. So, those would be the rules. Let's begin round 1 then. I hope you all are ready. Question number 1. Who is the mother of Ash Ketchum from the anime Pokemon? Now the clock is ticking. Yes, ma'am, I can see you have raised your hands. Arush, I can see you. Come on.
Delhi Ketchum.
Can you give me the spelling?
DELIAKETHUM.
Well, you said the name right. So your team gets 3 points. Congratulations. Now then, let's get to the next question. Who gave Doraemon to Nobita? I can see many raised hands. Meghna ma'am.
May I have the clue, please?
Okay, the clue then. He came from the future to help his ancestor and is spoken of in the very first episode.
Nobita.
You have to raise your hands first. Arush, I think your hand is raised.
Nobita.
Well, no, that is the wrong answer. Team teachers, the question is with you then.
May I?
Yes, ma'am, go ahead.
Ma'am, it's Shaivashri.
Can you give me the spelling, ma'am?
Shivashi.
Ma'am, you missed an H there.
Oh.
It's Sevashi.
Shivashi.
There's no H. Well then, no one gets a point. Scores are for now 3 points, team students, 0 points, team teachers. Next question, please. What did Higure steal from Action Kamen? The clock's running now.
I raise my hand.
Go ahead, Arush.
Action mask.
Well, you are half correct.
Power.
No, guys, you have to raise your hands first. Who was that?
Me.
Do you say your name, please?
Meet Boir.
Listen, the game is for the contestants, all right? Arush, I can see your hand is raised.
Can we get the clue?
Clue, please. They have the same word to begin with, but the next one is different. The same word as Action Kamen, but the next word is different. Can we have it then? Sure, I can see you raise your hands. Yes, go ahead.
Action Stone. Action Stone.
Well then, that's the correct answer. Can we show them the answer? Well done. Again, team students gets 2 points. The scores now are team students 5 points, team teachers 0. Next question, please. Name of the talking dog in Doraemon, Nobita's Little Space War. The clock is ticking. Yes, ma'am, go ahead. I can see your hand raised.
It's Ichi.
No,
Ichi.
ma'am. No, ma'am. Arush, go ahead.
Pappy.
Can I? My hand is raised.
Pappy.
Well, Arush already gave the correct answer. It's Pappy. Can we have the answer? Well then, again, team students gets more 3 points. Current scores, team students 8, teachers 0. Next question, please. I'm an English bulldog and I'm always on the double. I drive a digger truck. Who am I? Devanshi, I can see you. You have raised your hand. Devanshi?
Sir, can I say?
Can I have your name, please?
Meet.
Listen me, the game is only for the contestants, all right? Yes, Priyanka, I can see you.
The bulldog is Rebel.
Well, was that behind you?
Yes.
Well done then again. You get another 3 points. The current scores are team students 11, team teachers 0. Next question, please. Can we go back? Well then, that is the ending of round 1. The last scores are team students 11, team teachers 0. Now, round 2 is going to begin. Team Code Ninjas versus Team Tech Intellect. Is everyone ready? Well then, first question please. 1536 Florentine wine measurement has an influence on your keyboard. What is it? Well, that's hard. Time's ticking. Ojas, I see you.
It is at sign.
What's the name? What's the name?
At the rate.
That is unfortunately not the correct answer. Team teachers, questions to you. Can we have all the clues? Clue 1. Francesco exclaimed as he shifted the place to the right. Second clue. Mr. A went in a circle around himself drinking the wine. Well, now, give me the answer. It's pretty easy, I guess.
Is it for teachers?
Yes. Ojas and Vihan, you can take your hands down. Vihan, you have already won, mate. Teachers, you have 30 seconds left. Yes, ma'am, I see you.
Shift button.
No. Unfortunately, that's the wrong answer. Can we have the answer, please? The @ sign, which was a half correct answer, but the real name is Ampore. Scores: team students, Code Ninjas 0, Tech Intellect 0. Next question, please. William versus Harold is the reason home is spelled H-O-M-E. What event is this? Well, can we have the next clue then? "1066 and 1944 have something in common." Yes, Ojas?
Is it Battle of Hastings?
Well done then. You are close, but what is the complete event?
It was
Teachers, you can still answer.
14th October.
Not the time, the complete name of it.
Can I
Second
say?
clue.
Can I say?
I'm sorry, but you can now. Second clue, please. The only time a French fry defeated an English breakfast. Teachers, I think you want to try now. No one? Well then, time's up. Can we have the answer, please? The answer is the Norman invasion. It was quite close, but you had to name the entire event, actually. Next question, please. Question number 3. The old cornman is a chicken. Shaurya, I can see you.
Colonel Sanders.
Well, close again.
KFC maybe?
That's the correct answer. That's the correct answer. The answer is KFC. Now, last question then. Khatmal actually bites you in the bed. Well, this one is hard, I'll give you that. The time is ticking then. Yes, ma'am, I can see you.
Bed bug.
Close, but not close enough. Clue 1, please.
Yeah.
Throw that bed away. You were close, ma'am. You have to throw that bed away. Come on. Yes, Ojas, I can see you.
Yeah?
Ojas, I saw you raise your
Yeah.
hand.
Throw that bed away can be termites.
Not actually. Second clue, please. If you are a programmer, you know the struggle to find these.
Bug.
Can I answer?
Well, ma'am, you were supposed to raise your hand first. But that is actually the correct answer, though. Show the answer, please. The answer is bugs. Well then, we can conclude round 2 now. The scores are teachers 1, students 3. All right then, that's the conclusion of the quiz.
Thank you, Shambho, and everyone for your sporting participation. आदित्य, तुझे तो पता ही होगा हम अगले एपिसोड में क्या करने वाले हैं?
हाँ, मुझे पता है। अगले एपिसोड का नाम है वो दिन, और उसमें हम करेंगे पेरेंट्स की बचपन की बातें।
So parents, we would like you to join the upcoming episode on 22nd May. We would request you to please give your names for participation to respective class teachers.
And don't forget to write in our exclusive Dil Ki Baat newsletter.
Well, that was a well of a run. Thank you, teachers and our friends, for your sporting participation. We all have had awkward and funny experiences with work from home. There's no way anyone hasn't kept their mic on without knowing. Students and teachers, you are up. Please give us your experiences. Don't tell me your kids didn't pop in your end there when your video was on. Now, please allow me to call Vihan from class 1A. Vihan, Can you introduce yourself to our audience?
Hello everyone. My name is Vihan Sunakia and I am studying in 1A.
Vihan, kindly share us your story.
I will share two funny experiences. First is one day I was attending my class and one of my friends was picking nose and eating. And then the second one is one day I was attending my class and second one is I was attending my class and the teacher said to show one object only, but my friend was showing so many objects, and the few hours later, my ma'am has said a warning to my friend. Then you have to not show so many objects. I will throw out from the class. Then my friend said, okay. And then my teacher has thrown out from the class, and all are laughing. This is a lesson for all of us.
Oh, such a cute and funny experience. Thank you, Vihan, for sharing.
Well, we have Anju ma'am here. Anju ma'am, what's your experience?
Thank you, Aditya. A very good evening, dignitaries, parents, students, and fellow teachers. As you know, session 2021 started with online classes. Initially, every day was a roller coaster ride. I just want to share two funny incidents with you. Whenever I enter the class, few students, they keep their cameras off. So I always remind them to put on their cameras. After that, I started my lecture. To make my lecture more interactive, I keep asking them the question. So I was calling out one child continuously. The child unmuted and said, "Ma'am, I have a network issue. Can't put on my camera," and immediately muted. I said, "Okay, no problem. You give me the answer. Let it be your camera off. You can give me the answer." And I could sense the child was irritated, and after a few seconds, instead of unmuting, by mistake, put on the camera. The sight made us all laugh. The mother was combing hair, and child realized instead of unmuting, the child has put on the camera and was pushing mother aside, that you are also coming in the frame, please get aside. So that made us all laugh. One more incident I want to share. As you know, nowadays children are very smart. They have a very good observation skills. So I just want to share one incident. Once I went to the class, I started my teaching. After a few minutes, I was fully engrossed in teaching. Few minutes later, a child interrupted, "Ma'am, today you have changed the location?" I was like, "Location?" It took me a few seconds to realize to what context the child is saying this. As I was so engrossed in teaching, I was into my chapter and I was teaching. I said, "What do you mean by location?" He said, "Ma'am, today for the first time you're sitting here. Otherwise, your backdrop is some different." So I was like, my God, these children are observing this thing as well. Like where I'm sitting, what is my backdrop? So from that day, I made sure that I'm sitting on one place. I'm not changing my backdrops again and again so that they are fully concentrating on what I'm teaching. And I was like, "You're not listening to me. You're looking at my backdrop." Thank you so much.
Well, ma'am, that was hilarious and we can certainly relate to it.
Well, I would like to call Poojan to share his hilarious online school experience. Poojan, please introduce yourself to our audience.
Good evening, everyone. My name is Poojan Garaz and I am from class 8B. The incident that happened with me was when a teacher was presenting her screen, I was in full screen mode. And a notification came on the screen saying that your battery is low, please plug in the charger. Then after 5 to 6 seconds, I told the teacher that, ma'am, your battery is low. She was like, my battery is fully charged. Then I finally realized that this was the notification on my screen. Then I quickly plugged in my charger. Thank you.
Thank you, Poojan, for sharing such a funny experience. Now, last but not the least, Vinita ma'am, we would love to share your experience with us. I'm sure you must have had many interesting experiences.
Thank you, Sakhi. And very true, you said that we teachers, not just me, but I'm sure all the teachers, we have a lot of such incidents to share. So before I narrate once again, good evening to everyone present here. With the online classes, teaching learning process going on, as Anju ma'am already told, the biggest challenge for we teachers is to get the cameras on of the certain group of children. And these children also exhibit a behavior that whenever the teacher calls out the name, they will suddenly, leave the meeting. So this is a very regular thing that we experience. One day, recently it happened, I was having a class in 10th standard, and that day, I don't know, maybe genuinely or whatever it was, but as and when I was calling out name of a particular child, a message was popping up that the child has left the meeting, and it was like happening frequently that day. So I just said that children at times, I think that we teachers are like ghosts. शायद चुड़ैल वगैरह जैसे हैं हम, because जब भी हम वो भूत की फिल्मों में हम देखते हैं, वो भूत आता है स्क्रीन पे तो इलेक्ट्रिसिटी फ्लक्चुएट होने लगती है, डिस्टर्ब हो जाता है. So I think something like that happens with our voice also. So the moment we call out, कोई नाम हम पुकारते हैं तो बच्चा मीटिंग छोड़ देता है. तो might be with our voice, your internet connection gets fluctuated or disrupted. So this is one thing which came to my mind. I wanted to narrate. Thank you very much.
Well, ma'am, we were surely present. Yes, we both were present, and we definitely know how a class never keeps our videos on.
Well, we all know these experiences, and believe me, we have seen people sleep through a class with their cameras on.
Yes, that's absolutely right. Well, students are planning money heist while we sleep on how to attend online classes so early in the morning. I would like to call Priyanka ma'am to share her anecdote.
Good evening, teachers and my friends. This pandemic year was full of fun. When the online lessons started, I didn't know how to unmute. So my maths teacher was asking me a sum and I didn't know how to unmute. So I was saying the answer in mute. Ma'am thought I was mute. I was not there in the class and she marked me absent. Thank you.
Oh.
Thank you, Priyanka. That was such a lovely experience. I'm sorry for calling you ma'am. I'm really sorry.
Well, while we would like to keep going, we don't exactly have all day. Although I hope we had. It is unfortunately closing time.
Yes.
I don't like to do this.
Honestly, Aditya, you're very right. It was good having you all here. Oh, who am I kidding? It was amazing. I loved it. I hope you enjoyed this as much as I did. But sadly, I have to say a goodbye. Well, don't forget to join us for the next episode because the next episode is on you parents. We will remember your times.
वो कागज की कश्ती, वो बारिश का पानी. अगले एपिसोड में आना ना भूलिएगा. बहुत मजेदार है आगे की कहानी. तो आप सबके साथ ये पता ही नहीं चला कि समय कब बीत गया. अगर हम इन समय की बंदिशों में बंधे ना होते तो क्या बात होती. पर अब हम आपसे विदा लेते हैं. तो मिलते हैं हम दिल की बात के अगले एपिसोड में. धन्यवाद.
Thank you everyone for joining in.